All right, guys, we're at Bombay Beach ruins. So long time ago, like in the 50s and 60s, the Salton Sea was a huge resort, and people would come here like on their vacation or on a long weekend, right? Go swimming, take the boat out, whatever. But now, and I mean, you can smell it here. It smells terrible. It's become kind of a retreating ocean that's getting saltier and saltier and not good. But this used to be the shoreline all the way. But now it's become like an art installation of sorts, I guess. God, it smells terrible. Ooh. Remember we used to swing all the time?
Yep.
I think I got to at least swing once. This looks like the least safe swing ever in history that I'm about to get on. Oh yeah. Oh, it's actually kind of moist over here. I'm sure you don't want to breathe this in. Oh, 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 shit.
Oh, oh no. Hey.
Oh, sorry. Oh, we've hit a huge roadblock. So it's not as solid as you think.
That's probably part of the installation.
Oh man.
Oh, that's just black.
It's getting washed off in our hotel bathtub tonight, I'll tell you that much. Whew, it stinks too. Let's keep exploring. We'll worry about this when we leave. I sunk straight down into that shit.
Well, at first I'm like, oh.
I sunk straight down into that. All right, let's see if I can. Oh no, it's not real. I'm shocked and disturbed. I'm just gonna make the most of it. And we're gonna check out this weird thing. Yeah, you could have caught me.
A nice outtake.
Maybe when I start actually making money from YouTube, I'll buy another camera.
Yep.
In about 25 years.
Yep.
It's really weird out here. I wish I hadn't stepped into the mud. Well, we came all this way, but I think it's gonna be worth it. I stepped in mud. We've had some failures, but we found the Fountain of Youth. And inside of it is an old candy cane and the Millennium Falcon. Should have known all along that's what the Fountain of Youth would be. You know how to play drums, Trey?
I'm trying to give it up.
Trying to give it up. It's a bad habit.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's beautiful. A time lapse with the stars.
This is gonna be soggy.
A reincarnation.
Reincarnation?
Yeah, reincarnation. Interesting art stuff. I know I've said this before, but I wish I hadn't stepped in that mud. Everything is more beautiful because we are doomed. Yeah, I guess being out here at night would be just amazing.
Yeah.
I think this gentleman needs some help. Life gave us lemons, so they made Bombay Beach lemonade. Very cool, I like this. It's nice out here. I mean, for a blazing hot sun desert shoreline, it's nice. Let's put raising adopted children back. It's hot and extremely sunny. Oh, thank God there's a bus stop here. I'll just check the schedule and see when's the next bus. Oh, damn. You know, us Catholics love to confess every chance we get, so. Oh, they even have the nice screen here. Dear Father, forgive me, I've stepped in the mud. I don't know how I'll ever redeem myself.
7 Hail Marys. like 20 bucks.
7 Hail Marys and $20.
You're good.
God, I love being Catholic.
It's awesome.
Woo! Elevation negative 236 feet. I think this is the deepest I've been, other than maybe in a cave. So that's pretty cool, or at least I think so. I am a loser, so. Oh, there's a phone box.
Yeah, you want to get a phone call?
Yeah, let me call my mom.
There's no,
Hello? Operator? Actually, once when I was a kid, I got in trouble because I was at payphones in the at a soccer game, and I just kept dialing 911 over and over again, and like saying, "Oh, there's a flood, there's a fire, there's a shooting, there's everything," and you know the cops eventually came because even if you don't put money in, they still work at most payphones. And I got a very stern lecture, and I obviously learned nothing because a few years later I shot paintballs at an old folks home. So we all make mistakes. Pretty interesting arts installation, basically. Kind of cool, kind of weird. Just like the United States, I guess. Kind of cool and a little weird.